Okay, hi everybody. We're back and we're going to make some quick gravy. The chicken, potatoes, and carrots are done. So we're going to make a quick gravy. So I've got some butter and flour in a pan here. We'll just get that going a little bit. And I think I'm going to attempt to use a ladle to gather up enough broth out of the skillet to make this gravy. It smells really good in here. And we'll plate it up. Okay, the butter is combining with the flour. It makes kind of like little chunks. That's what we're looking for. And I'm just whisking to combine the butter with the flour long enough to warm the flour through, because it does something. It flavors it really nicely if you warm the flour all the way through. There we go. And now, let's be optimistic that I can pull this off here. And, alright, let's go like this. Give ourselves a little area here to get some broth. There's a little bit. And I want this front unit on just about high, medium high. There we go. And we just whisk until this comes to a nice gravy. It thickens pretty quickly. And you can also use cornstarch, but I don't have any. And I think flour will be fine. Okay, we're gonna put one more ladle full. Oops, I don't want that potato in there. Hang on here, bear with me. There's a little bit more. There we go. Let's get that stirred in. And I'm just looking to make enough gravy to enjoy on the potatoes. Let's see what happens if I turn on the torch. There we go. Can you see that a little better? All right, gravy's ready. So let's get this plated up. Okay, we're going in with the chicken. And the potatoes. Okay, gotta love potatoes. And some carrot. This broth in the skillet is, I'm sure, very good, but I'm trying not to get it on the plate because I don't want a soupy mess on the plate. There. And then what we will do is go in with our gravy. Yeah, you can see that pretty well. We'll go in with our gravy. And bon appetit! Chicken thigh with russet potatoes, carrots, celery, onion, mixed Italian herbs, paprika, black pepper, salt, and it looks pretty good. So thanks for joining me. Have a great night. Be kind, say hi to someone, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.